Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AgriQuiz. Today we'll discuss on onion. Onion is a bulbous family crop. Onion generally is a modified stem. Let's start. Onion scientific name is Allium cepa, family Alliaceae, chromosome number 16, a diploid species. There is only one species is triploid, that is Allium cornutum. Allium cornutum is diploid species, that is 2n 3x equal to 24. Its origin Central Asia. Allium is derived from Greek word. Here you have to remember one thing. All logo means pomology. Just derived from Greek word. Or logy derived from Greek word, or culture, all culture like horticulture, agriculture, these are derived from Latin word. Onion belongs to family Monocotyledon. Then it is a cool season crop. From this slide, main important point is diploid species, that is Allium cornutum. Then Allium, then another is Allium derived from Greek word. In this slide, onion is a shallow rooted crop, like onion. There is in leek also shallow rooted crop. It is a rich source of vitamin B. Onion contain vitamin B. Onion is a bulbous crop, modified stem. Edible version of onion is modified stem. Here is the important one. Onion, Mr. Onion, is known as Mr. Onion, is Dr. H.A. Jonne, is known as Mr. Onion. Here some temperature related question or main point. Optimum temperature for bulb development, that is 15.5 to 21 degree centigrade, important one. And for onion seed germination, temperature required 20 to 25 degree Celsius. From this slide, this one, which vitamin contained in onion, that is vitamin B. Then Mr. Onion, that is H.A. Jonne. And then for bulb development, that is 15.5 to 20 degrees Celsius. These three are important. Here temperature is important for seed production. Then day length is important for bulb production. Onion is a long day plant. It requires high temperature for bulb development. Here bolting, Bolting means seed stock initiation and development means simply you remember bolting means flower bud initiation. Due to bolting is it also causes a disorder in onion. Due to bolting the improper development of bulb. Bolting causes improper development of bulb. This is important for ICRGRF or SRF point of view. Also bolt, this is this one. For in bolting in onion when temperature less than 15 degrees centigrade. In onion cultivars in plain of India are sorted. All cultivars in cultivated onions are sorted. Generally in India, not in worldwide. In India, cultivar species are cultivars are sorted plant. Like for ball formation 10 to 12 hours is required, and in Kharif 14 hours for ball formation. This is in India. Pigments. There are two or three type of two pigment is seen in onion. Yellow color is due to quercetin, and red or pink color skin of onion is due to anthocyanin. This question asked many times. Also in I think 2018 in JRF, this question 2018 or 2017 this question was asked. Some useful compound present in onion. First one, dimethylamine. Dimethylamine is effective for cancer. Effect for cancer patient or cancer disease. Also contains sulfur compound. It reduces blood pressure. Allicin, it is a antibacterial activity. Quercetin, yellow skin color is due to quercetin. So it is against for cancer and heart disease. Catechol is antifungal property. All are very important for exam point of view. Then also onion is used for against sunstroke. Here everyone notice when we generally cut onion there is everyone notice when we generally cut onion tear comes out. This tear is comes out due to lacrimeter factor, and there is a chemical present in onion, that is 1-propanyl sulfonic acid, or this due to this acid tear comes out. Here tear induced by onion is lacrimeter factor, that is this acid is 1-propanyl sulfonic acid. Here the pungency in onion is due to allyl propyl disulfide. Carbohydrate present in onion is fructan. Lasalgaon, it is a largest market present in India, which is in Maharashtra state. You have to remember Lasalgaon. Here some onion research center. National Research Center for Onion and Garlic NRCOG is located at Nasik. Now it is changed to PTOG. PTOG means Project Directorate on Onion and Garlic, which is present in Maharashtra. That place name is Raja Guru Nagar. There is also another research center. That is National Horticulture Research Development Foundation, NHRDF, also present in Nasik, Maharashtra. Some important species in onion. Ancestor of onion, that is Allium pavlovi, is very important one. Then potato onion or underground onion, Egyptian onion, that is Allium sene. Tree onion or top onion, Egyptian tree onion, that is Allium cepa viviparum. This question also important, this species. Pink onion, that is Allium ceranum. That is one species resistance to both down mildew or leaf blight. That is Allium royale. These are some important species you have to remember for exam point of view. Then it is a cross-pollinated crop. Cross-pollinated due to protandry. Protandry means male reproductive part mature first, and then female reproductive part. In one flower there is two reproductive part, that is one is male and female. In this case, male reproductive part mature first, then female reproductive part. And there is one term, there is this one is protogyny, protandry, or another one is protogyny. In protogyny, female reproductive part mature first, then male reproductive part. And here cross pollination is through insect, that is honeybee. Here I am not mentioned here honeybee. Also remember that one. Here this question is very important. Cytoplasmic genetic male sterility was first found in onion crop. You have to remember. Then hybrid onion program originated in 1925. Also remember that one. Selfing and massing breeding technique was developed by John A. and Mon in 1963. that one also very important. Through this technique there is one variety, that is Pusa Madhavi, was developed through selfing and machine breeding. And the CMS, circulating male sterility, identified in Italian red variety by Dr. H.A. Zone in University of California, USA. Onion male sterility line have isolated in Pusa red at IRI, New Delhi. This Pusa red was developed by IRI through using male sterility line, New Delhi. Here highlighted one are very important one. Here you have to remember all these highlighted person. Here onion seed viability in only 1 year, then spacing 15 centimeter to 8 to 10 centimeter, 15 into 8 10 centimeter or 80 centimeter. Requirement of bulb for seed production, that is 1500 kg per hectare. Ball size must be 2 to 3 centimeter in diameter. Critical period of crop, that is weed competition, in 30 or 60 days. That is the maturity indices. 50% of 50 to 70% of leaf neck fall, that induce the maturity of ball. That one also important. Here only this one, seed viability, also then also that one. Here storage loss of onion under ambient condition, that is 40 to 50%. Ambient condition means under generally in the room temperature, that is 25 plus minus 2, that is 25, 24 or 26, 27, like that in temperature. In that temperature 40 to 50%, very huge amount of losses. Onion post harvest losses, that is 30 to 60%. Then reduction of sprouting in onion, you generally use gamma ray, that is 60 gray, GY mean gray, unit of unit of irradiation, also irradiation also known as gamma ray treatment. Also use some retardant to reduce sprouting in storage condition, that is malic hydrazide 2500 ppm. Best bulb storage temperature, that is 0 degree centigrade for 60 to 70% relative humidity. That one also very important. You have to remember all these things highlighted person. Here processing industry, ideal TSS content for dehydration industry, that is less than 18%. For dehydration industry, we generally use white onion